Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on an interesting and will definitely be helpful to you. In this video we will talk about the software in which you can solve a problem like a retouching in a 1 minute and get the best output. The name of that software is Skinfiner. You can download the software using the link mentioned in the description box below. But if you don't know how to install it and how to use it, then watch the video completely. So let's get started. I will edit a photo of both indoor and outdoor here. This is an outdoor image. Just simply drag and drop this image. So you could see before and after. The software automatically cleared the image a bit. See the difference. We can clear it even more. All you have to do is to increase your amount and medium. Now you can see how perfectly skin is cleared. Wherever the texture of the skin is not damaged, your problem is solved in just 1 minute. No need to do any more settings. This is the perfect retouch software. I have shown you another image. Increase amount, increase medium. See now. You can also do color correction in it so that the photo looks even better. I go down, I adjust the hue, I keep it in a reddish tone, I do a little saturation increase. You can see the difference, how much perfect a photography image is showing. How beautiful in this indoor photography looking. This is the perfect software to give the final touch to your photography. Nothing is complicated. I show another outdoor image in this software. See the difference. So I increase the amount and medium, slightly reduce the feather. The image is largely clear. See this. I adjust the hue. I keep this image in a yellow tone. I see it perfect. You can do any assessment according to your own. Guys, difference is in front of you. You can compare how this image was before and how it is now. Those who do photo shoot, they should be use this software. So now let's show how we export from it. Click here or press Ctrl S. Your file will be saved. If you want to export, then press Ctrl Shift S or click on this icon. After doing this, we will get the option to save here. Just select your location and save it. So I cancel it here. I don't want to export this image. You can also change its alignment. Keep the alignment as you like. Now let me tell you how to install it. I have put in the link description of both the file. One of them is a crack file. You have to download both files. So let's extract them first. Then we will go to this folder. Just install this setup file. select English, then press OK, then click on the next. Now select agree and click on next, then install. So your software has been installed. Now we will crack it. Go to this crack folder. After installation, this software will open. So you click on this free trial and close it. Open this notepad and copy the link in it. Now open that link in a separate window. Now copy the file you have here and paste it here. Replace and continue. Now your file is cracked. Now you can use this software. So I hope this software will be helpful for you. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, like this video if it is useful for you. Thank you.